If your fireplace is acting up or your chimney hasn't been cleaned in a while, First Choice Residential has you covered. We help homeowners in Daphne, Fairhope, Spanish Fort, Foley, and Robertsdale stay safe and comfortable all season. From chimney sweep service to gas fireplace repair, we keep things working the way they should. Thinking about a new look? We can also handle fireplace installation and make sure it's done right. Breathe easier, enjoy the heat, and skip the hassle. Call us today.